Hello everyone. Welcome to our English class. I'm Emma, your British teacher.
And I'm Jake, your American conversation partner. How are you today?
I'm feeling great, thank you. Today, we're going to talk about numbers and telling the time.
Yes, and we will also learn about dates and the year.
That's right. Let's start with something simple. Jake, what time is it now?
I think it is 2:45.
Not quite, Jake. In English, we say it is 2:45, not 2:45.
Ah, I see. It's 2:45.
Great. So, can you ask me what time it is?
Sure. What time is it, Emma?
It's 2:30.
Got it. 2:30. That's a nice way to say it.
Exactly. Now let's talk about dates. What is today's date, Jake?
Today is March 15th.
Good. But in English, we say the date as the 15th of March.
Oh, right. The 15th of March.
Now, let's start our first dialogue about time and dates.
Sounds good, Emma. I'll start. What time does your class start?
My class starts at 10 o'clock.
And what time does it end?
It ends at 11 o'clock.
So, it lasts for 1 hour?
Yes, exactly. A full hour.
What do you do after class?
I usually have lunch at 12:30.
12:30? That's a good time for lunch.
Yes. Do you have a lunch time?
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
That's nice. What do you eat for lunch?
I usually have sandwiches or salads.
That sounds healthy. Do you eat with friends?
Yes, I often eat with my colleagues.
That's lovely. Do you know what day it is?
Is it Friday?
No, it's Wednesday.
Ah, Wednesday. I always forget.
No problem. It's easy to mix up the days.
Thanks for reminding me.
Now, let's explain the time and dates we used.
Okay, teach me more.
We talked about telling the time. For example, it's 10 o'clock. And we can also say, it's 3:15.
Right, and what about dates?
For dates, we can say, the 15th of March, or March 15th. Both are correct.
Got it. So, we can use both forms for dates.
Exactly. Let's practice these sentences. First, it's 5:30.
It's 5:30.
Good job. Now, the second sentence. Today is March 10th.
Today is March 10th.
Perfect. And the last one. It's 3:45.
It's 3:45.
Well done. Now, let's do another dialogue.
I'm ready. I'll start. Emma, what is your favorite month?
I love December. What's yours?
My favorite month is July.
Why do you like July?
Because of the summer. I enjoy the warm weather.
That's true. Summer is fun. When does summer start?
Summer starts around June 20th.
Good. And when does it end?
It ends around September 22nd.
Nice. Can you tell me the date of your birthday?
Sure. My birthday is on February 5th.
So, it's the 5th of February?
Right, the 5th of February.
And what year were you born?
I was born in 1985.
Great. That was a few years ago.
Yes, it feels like a long time.
Time goes by quickly. Do you prefer morning or evening?
I like the morning because I wake up early.
That's lovely, waking up early. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
Ooh, that's very early. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
So, it's a bit later for you.
Yes. Now, let's go over our vocabulary words.
Okay, what vocabulary do we have?
The first word is o'clock. We use it to say the exact hour.
O'clock, like, it's 5 o'clock.
Exactly. Here's another example. My meeting is at 3 o'clock.
And one more. Dinner is at 6 o'clock.
Perfect. Now for the word quarter. It means 15 minutes.
So, a quarter past 8 means 8:15?
That's right. And a quarter to 5 means 4:45.
I understand. Next word?
The next word is half past. It means 30 minutes past the hour.
3:30 means 3:30.
Exactly. Another example is, it's 6:30.
And one more. My class starts at 8:30.
Great job. Now, the word date. It refers to a specific day.
Like, today's date is March 15th.
Exactly. Or, I have an appointment on the 23rd of April.
And my birthday is on January 10th.
Perfect. Lastly, we have year. It refers to the calendar year.
Like, what year were you born?
Yes. Another example. I graduated in 2020.
And the last one. This year is 2023.
Well done. Let's review what we've learned today.
Yes, I love reviews.
First question. What does quarter mean?
Quarter means 15 minutes.
Right. Second question. How do we say 8:30?
It's 8:30.
Good. Third question. What is today's date?
Today's date is the 15th of March.
Excellent. Fourth question. What time is it at 5:45?
That's 5:45.
Very good. Last question. In what year are we now?
It's 2023.
Fantastic. You did really well today.
Thanks, Emma. This was fun.
I had a great time too. Next lesson, we will learn about everyday activities and the present simple tense.
I can't wait. See you next time.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.